I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now let's go ahead and get into this one. I've been waiting on this package to arrive all day, and it finally arrived maybe 30 minutes ago. Alright, so let me open this up. And I'm excited for this one. This is always one of my most anticipated shoes of the year. Let's get into it. Okay. Boom. Throw that to the side. Man, this is my first time seeing this box. But you all know, Big Roth is a proud member of the Bron gang. Alright? Now, this is a new Bron box. I don't even know if I'm holding this the correct way, but new Bron box. Alright? Here is XX and then 1, so 21. Alright? Nothing on this side. Lebron logo there. The LJ with the crown there. What's on the bottom here? There Nike Air, swoosh, just do it, Nike Air. All your Nike logos there on the bottom. Alright. Is there actually 21 circles here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Alright, so yeah, there is 21 of those circles around the signature. Alright, so these are the Nike Lebron 21. Colorway is light bone campfire orange. Okay, and I got these in the ever so wonderful, the magical, the magnificent unicorn size, 13.5, my true size. All right, and that size is now sold out on the Nike app, so I'm glad I was able to get them before they sold out. That size always goes first. That's why if I see it, I try to, and I kind of like the shoe, I try to go for it, because 13.5 is gone. A 13 is available, a 14 is available, but that 13.5 goes that quick. I feel like they only get 1 or 2 pairs. So let's go ahead and get into these. Very excited to have these. And here is the unboxing experience, how you open the box. This was the side for you all there. And then here we are at the top. It's different. It's not a slide or a pull out. It's not the typical one that you just flip open. It kind of opens uniquely here. Boom. And you go back like that. And this is the paper that is on the inside of the box. Boom. It doesn't have like a design or anything like the 21s had, where it's like a maze of anything, but this is the paper that's inside of the box. All right, and then this reveals the shoe. So let's turn back around and let's get into that. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. My first look. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. the Nike LeBron 21 Akoya. All right, I think these are very clean, very clean. It's that burnt orange. It's a different color for me, but you see that burnt orange on the back, and I like how it kind of outlines the swoosh here, but doesn't go all the way around and up. I like that. And then on the inside here, it's a different kind of striping of the swoosh. I like the signature in the same color here on the front. Then going back down here, inside that bubble, you see the 21. All right, on the front, it's the same thing as on the box here, where that lace hole is, or that lace lock you see here in the front. It's the X, and the 1 for the 21. Nubuck on the upper, all the way around. Very nice, very nice. Very light shoe. It is crazy that we've come to this and that for a LeBron shoe after years of the big bulky shoes for LeBron. This is crazy to me. But I like how light they are. These are nice. I just saw a detail on the inside that's crazy. We won't get into that. On the lace tips, nothing. Blank lace tips. I do wish LeBron would kind of get back to the designs on the lace tips like he did on the 4s and things like that. There was like a Dunk Man or a signature or a logo or something, and they would be heavy, like metal kind of pieces. All right. On the front there, nothing. There's no like LeBron signature or anything. Translucent bottoms, kind of that milky translucent bottom. What's that say on the bottom here? Oh, on the inside it's a king's crown. All right, it's the crown. You got your swoosh right there, your air zoom here on the side, so you see all the designs there. But I like the ridges too. I like those ridges going around here. You got some air holes there for breathability. I'm sure your feet won't be all stank. And then you're going around here, more vents for the breathability. All right, very nice, very nice. And then what else we got? What other details we got? It's a whole bunch going around there. You probably can't see that on the bottom, but there's so much going on here. I like the orange hits going around the eyelets there. Metallic for the first few at the top and on the side here, but then they got the rope holding them up as you go further down. All right, the detail that I just saw on the inside there, this is the holder there, your shoe tree with the crown on there, the king, the Lion King. All right, but what I just saw on the inside here is there's the hands. Can you see those hands up right below the size tag? You see my 13.5, but the hands right there has the rings on it, 4 rings on it right there. That's a very nice touch. I like that. I like that. And then it's that, look at that fabric on the back. That's going to be very comfortable. Very nice. Very nice. That quilted kind of material on the tongue. These last 2 LeBrons, man, they've been very good with the tongues, paws. You know, most of the tongues on LeBron shoes were flimsy, or they're like plasticky and they didn't feel good when you put the shoes on. They just weren't very good. But these last 2, These look like these are gonna do it. Like this one right here. This is the 20. Very nice tongue. But this one, same thing. I like it. Very light shoe. Lightweight shoe. Same. I would say they're about the same. This one might be a little bit lighter. But I like it. I like how we got... Yeah. It's just weird that coming from, you know, the LeBron 20 and the LeBron 19, or I'm sorry, not the 20, the LeBron 19, the LeBron 18, the LeBron 17. We coming from those shoes to this. Now we're in such lighter, easier to wear shoes for the LeBron line. It is so weird to me, but I like it. I like that direction. These aren't necessarily made for him, because LeBron's on his way out. I wouldn't be shocked if this was his final season. I know he wants to play with Bronny, but LeBron's time is coming to an end. So these shoes now are more so for Bronny and Bryce and, you know, the future NBA players. It's not so much for him. He's wearing them, yes. But I feel like these shoes now are more so for the future generation, not LeBron himself. But let's take a quick glance at the right boy and see if there's any differences. You know what? No, there's no differences. I'm not even going to hype this one up. It's the same shoe. Let's put it back. But what I did notice is that there's a little card on the inside here. Your 21 card on the back. Signature with the swoosh. And then it opens up. And then it shows you the details and the construction of the shoe. Alright? Very nice touch. But what we gotta do right now is we gotta take these boys on feet. Remember back when the only time we would get low top shoes from LeBron was later in the year after the All-Star break, when he would release the low top version of the shoes? This is the LeBron 11 low Sprite. Alright? But now the standard model is the low top. Crazy. Here we are on feet of the LeBron 21 Akoya. Alright? These are clean. These are clean. When I mean clean, I mean these are nice. Sharp even. Alright? A gentleman asked me to show the shoes from a previous video with pants on and not basketball shorts. So here we are. Here's some joggers. Here's some joggers. But let's show the size test. For me, I say this 13.5 is absolutely perfect because of the width. I think the width is what does it. Right around this area, it's a little bit more narrow, like it hugs your foot. So the length is fine. Everything, I don't think I could go down to a 13 of these because it would be too tight. I think the 13 would be too tight. My pinky toe's not tight over here. And I also think, like, if you're wearing these on court, not just for style purposes, the lockdown, like, my foot doesn't feel like it's sliding as I'm trying to move here. My foot's not sliding around. My heel's not sliding. This one isn't laced all the way up, but the left shoe here, it's not sliding. Like, I'm trying to slide my foot. It's not sliding. So that's a good thing. So if you're getting these for hoops, go true to size. I would say in general, go true to size because it's good lockdown and it's pretty comfortable. It's actually pretty comfortable. Alright? But let's get a little bit of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Always the most exciting time of the year, sneaker-wise, for me, when we get a brand new LeBron. And this is no exception. I like the LeBron 21s. I'm excited to see them in new colorways. This one, I more so got because it's the first one. You know, I always try to get the very first one that's released, at least the ones that's first released here in stateside. I've seen some other people have the Purple Rain pair, and that one comes out in like a week and a half. But I like this one. I feel like it's very wearable, all white shoe. That burnt orange is a nice touch to me. I especially like it right there on the front. All right, Air Zoom. Air Zoom. I like it, man. I like this shoe. It's a very subtle thing, like the very subtle things, the colors that hit. I like how they didn't outline the swoosh all the way. I know I mentioned that, but I like how that is. It's just a very nice shoe. And I think, once again, LeBron 20s and LeBron 21s are shoes that you can wear on the court, and you can wear and kind of style up off the court. Not so much like the LeBron 19s and before. It's been a while that you could kind of wear a LeBron shoe off the court and it be like okay. But I think, you know, throw on a pair of joggers, wear a little bit, you know, a pair of shorts or something. These are gonna be fine. Nobody's gonna look at you crazy like, man, you rocking LeBrons up? Nah, they smooth. They smooth. Low top LeBrons usually are like that. So these are available on the Nike website right now. If you like these, go copy a pair. I recommend them. I think these are nice. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.